hello guys. Welcome back to Geritech Interior Designs. We introduce you to our 4-bedroom. A simple one, though it is unfinished still in terms of painting and maybe wardrobes. So as we can see, these are our main entrance, our balcony, in short our veranda. We have some different type of tiles, as you can see. I can talk of white, but it's not pure white. It's almost white, but not pure white. So this time, we have decided to design our building in terms of different tiling. So let me introduce you inside. Let me introduce you inside first. So this is our main entrance. Our door is a steel door. It's a double steel door. As you can see, you can lock it maybe if you are inside, or maybe you can operate it outside. As you can see, it's a heavy double steel door. As you can see, in this part, we'll put our that part is for mirror. So this is our corridor. As you can see, this is our corridor. Inside, our electricals are done, though they're not done yet. We have our downs for downlights in this corridor. This corridor, we are only left with downlights. That's our whole bracket. Is of different color. The switching is not yet inserted yet, but this is our corridor. We have our hanging lights, are of different lights. The other one is pink, and this other one is green. And this is another wall bracket. It's a strapper, though our switch is a strapper, as you can see. Our switch is not working out due to some installation which will be completed tomorrow. So this is our corridor. Our corridor has the same tiles as our balcony outside there, as you can see. This corridor, the tiles resembles the balcony, as you can see. This corridor, as I told you earlier before we got inside, that the painting is not over yet. It's still an undercoat. We are here to complete our painting. This is an undercoat. So when you are in our corridor, there is an entrance to our main sitting room. This is the entrance to our main sitting room. It's of a very beautiful design in terms of columns. These columns resemble the other side of this column. As you can see, they are of different mix. So let me introduce you to our sitting room. So this is our sitting room, but be aware the painting is not yet over yet. So this sitting room is just a simple one. Let's start with the top part, the ceiling board part. As you know, we told you that we Geritech Interior Designs, we operate in different areas, but as per now we are in Garissa. In Garissa, the temperatures and the altitude of this Garissa, the temperatures are too high. So we need the equal amount of fans and maybe the air conditioners, the AC. So here we managed to install our fan, which the client also requested for another second fan, which will be installed tomorrow, as you can see, to balance this room. So we have our wall brackets on the walls. These wall brackets are operating differently. You can see the colors are changing. That's pure white. Then we have warm white. Then we have finally pure warm. Yeah. The wall brackets are of either three color wall brackets, as you can see. Then we have the holes on our roof or on our ceiling board are for downlights. So these holes, as you can see, they are for our downlights, which will be installed by tomorrow. As per now, the fundis are done with their work of today, so the downlights will be installed by tomorrow. Then the centerpiece light, that is the chandelier, will also be installed tomorrow. So we have our sockets, this area. These sockets, this is for our TV and aerial. This other one can be used in terms of if maybe you are charging your phone, and that other one too. So this room, the only thing left is painting. The painting, as I told you, this is an undercoat. It's still pure white. It is an undercoat. The only left thing here is a painting. So the sitting room is attached to dining. This is the entrance to dining. This is the entrance to dining. The pillars are decorated wisely, as you can see. The pillars are decorated wisely, but they will be introduced with a different paint. At the end, we will introduce you to this house again. So let's get inside our dining. So the floor just resembles, the tiles are of the same type. The tiles are of the same type. As you can see very clearly, they are of the same types. They are not of different types, as you can see the other house. Yeah. So this is our dining. Our dining also, we managed to install our fan there. Then we are using our big size full moon, which was installed also in our dining. You can see the kind of designs on our ceiling boards. These are normal ceiling board with a very suitable design, as you can see. The star. There is a 4-piece star installed in our ceiling board design. So we also managed to install our wall brackets in this dining. The wall brackets too are of 3 color, which I'll show you later after the switch is installed. These wall brackets are of 3 color. Then we also managed to install our socket around here. The sockets are double sockets. You can maybe use your laptop or your computer in this room. You can also use this room as your study room, apart from being dining. So this room is a small quiet one, which is very suitable for the family around here. So this is our serving window. For you to believe that this is our dining, this is our serving window. The serving window, on top of it, we also managed to install some tiles. It's just a small serving window which will allow us to operate, to supply our meals from the kitchen to our dining. Yeah, and that's all in our dining. It's a very simple one. So in terms of painting, we are almost done. Let me take you to our first bedroom. Our first bedroom in this corridor. Our corridor I just showed you initially. This is our corridor which I just showed you initially. So let me introduce you. Before I introduce you to our first bedroom, let me take you direct to our kitchen. This is our long corridor. That was our short corridor. This one is our short corridor. So this one is our short corridor, as you can see. Now we have our long corridor here. The long corridor, we are almost complete with it in terms of lights. You can see these holes on our ceiling board are for downlights. So this is the longest corridor. To the lights are just of one color. These are pink. That other one is green. It's not of a three type. So this one here is a strapper. This one here is a strapper, which works with the intermediate switch and the strapper on the other hand. So this corridor introduces us to our kitchen. This is our kitchen. This is our kitchen. The kitchen, we managed to install our fluorescent LED light. Yeah, this is a LED light in our kitchen. Then it's a very nice one, as you can see, in terms of walls in this kitchen. And we have different tiles on the walls compared to that other one. So this place was meant for sink. As you can see, it is already installed. The only thing left here is to install that tap. The plumbing part is also left. So I think the rest of the things that I've told you earlier will be installed tomorrow. So this part is for cooker, which is not yet installed. Will be worked on tomorrow. This part is for our cooker, and our cooker connector is here. Then we have our socket here. You can maybe use it in charging your phone while doing your business here, or maybe in blending your juice. This is a double socket, which is used for maybe some things that I've just told you. So this part, this is our, how do you call it? This is our worktop. This worktop contains some drawers. This worktop contains some drawers which are yet to be installed tomorrow, which are yet to be mounted tomorrow. The tiles are in the kitchen are different from the tiles in general house. Sorry. The tiles in the kitchen are different from the tiles in this general house, as you can see. You can see they are of different types. This is a brown one to maintain our cleanliness. Yeah. The tiles on the walls are also different from the tiles in the room and the tiles on the floor. So these tiles on the walls are a very smart one to maintain our cleanliness in this kitchen. So in this kitchen we also have our stove. This is our stove. Though our light is not working yet, we'll work on it tomorrow. This is our store, which the drops will be installed on it tomorrow, maybe. Yeah. Don't imagine too much because the painting is not yet. This is just an undercoat. Then we also have another balcony outside here, the kitchen. We also have another balcony outside here. This balcony is another exit from the kitchen. Yeah. Let me take you back to our first bedroom then. So this is our first bedroom. This is our first bedroom. Our first bedroom, the light is not yet, but we'll also work on that light tomorrow. So the first bedroom, we managed to install our fan and our light here, just a simple lighting. It was ceiling rose, just a simple lighting, not of different colors. Is a simple one, just a 10 by 10 room. As you can see, we have our double socket here. We have our double socket here to help those who will be operating inside this bedroom. The tiles inside this bedroom is also different from the tiles in this corridor. As you can see, the tiles in this bedroom is different from these tiles. Our frames are done. We are only left with to mount our doors here. And other thing. The other thing I was forgetting is to remind you that we also install our steel windows here. They are heavy ones. They are very smart. The only thing left with in our windows here is the glasses is a sliding window. Yeah, is a sliding window which is yet to be done. That is our first bedroom. Then I'm again taking you to the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom. It also resembles the other bedroom because we also managed to install some ceiling rods and a fan. It's just the same. The socket is also here to help those who will be sleeping here, or maybe you can use it for your studies to mount your computer or laptop here. So this room just resembles the other room. The tiles are just the same to the other room and is of the same size. Though the window, that other room contains 2 windows, though this one contains only 1. Because of we just equalize the space to install our windows. So the room just resembles the other room. It was just a simple one and of the same size. The painting, I'm also reminding you the painting is here to be done. So I'm taking you to the before I take you to the third bedroom, we have our public toilet, which is mounted on our corridor. We have our public toilet. This is our public toilet. The light is yet to be installed tomorrow, though we have our shower here. The plumber is not yet done with this work. So plumber will also be working on his work here. So this is our public toilet. The general house, those who visit us, who will be visiting us inside the house, will be using this one. So we also have our shower here. The Arabic shower is around. The sink will be around. And you can see the tiles on the wall are different from the tiles on this floor. These are cream tiles, yeah. The cream tiles, which contain some little flowers, as you can see. They are different from the tiles on the floor. Yeah, they are of the different types. But this is to help to avoid water contaminating with our walls, yeah. To avoid water contaminating with our walls, to interfere with our painting or anything else. So that's why we introduce the tiles on the walls. So I'm done with that toilet. Let me now take you to the third bedroom. That was the public toilet. This is the third bedroom. So this is the third bedroom. So this third bedroom, it also resembles the other bedrooms, but now it's just a special one. It's just an awesome. It looks very beautiful. Our wardrobes will be installed around here. Then we have our double socket, which the person operating inside here, or those who will be sleeping inside here, will be using that double socket. Then we have our wall brackets. This one is yet to be installed. Then we have another one here. This is our wall bracket, a simple one, a very beautiful one. It's of 3 color, as you can see. It's of 3 color. That is white. Then we have warm white. Yeah, that's warm white. Then we have warm. Yeah, that's the warm part. Then our centerpiece is hanging of a screw bulb. That's a pink light. That's our centerpiece. Then we also managed to install our fan. Yeah, as you can see, this ceiling board, if you have a close view, is of different types as you can as the of the other rooms. Yeah, the other 2 bedrooms. This is a different design from the other 2 bedrooms. So tomorrow we'll be working on those holes. Those are for downlights, which are yet to be installed by tomorrow at around our time. We'll be done with them. So in this room, we also managed to install 2 windows. These are just efficiency of air. This is for efficiency of air. So these 2 windows are just of the same type from those other 2 bedrooms. They are of steel windows. This other one is also a steel window, which is a sliding window. We'll introduce their glasses after just the painting. Everything will be done. We'll show you the rest of the work. So these materials are for plumbers, which will be operating here from tomorrow. These materials are for plumbers, and these cans are for painting. That's all of it. So let me take you to finally our master bedroom. This is our master bedroom. The doors are yet to be installed. This is our master bedroom. This master bedroom contains 2 wall brackets. The master bedroom contains 2 wall brackets. They are of 3 color type. These wall brackets are of 3 color types. So apart from that, let's go direct to our ceiling board. This is now of a different design from the rest of this room. This is our master bedroom. So this ceiling board is of different design. As according to your views, guys, you can see the difference is there. Yeah, this is our master bedroom, and it's of the ceiling board is of different design. So we have our centerpiece, which is here to be installed tomorrow. Then we have our downlights. These holes are for downlights. The wiring is done. So this part is for downlights, and the rest, the painting is yet to be done. As I told you earlier, this is an undercoat. Then in terms of light and wiring, we are done. This is our fan. We are in Garissa, so we must use fans. Then finally, we have our 2 windows. Efficiency of air. We have our 2 windows. These are now bigger than those other ones. Then they are of sliding windows. We'll introduce our glasses as from maybe tomorrow or the other day. But we are going on with our work. We are almost done, but we are going on with our work. So we have our double socket here. The other one is on that other side to assist that person who will be working here. Will be operating in this bedroom. So this room contains of a double socket, and before I forget, the tiles resembles the corridor, the entrance, and the sitting room. Those 2. These tiles resembles the corridor, the sitting room, and this master bedroom only. Then this master bedroom, this part on this other part was left for a wardrobe. Yeah. We don't have wardrobe inside here. This space is only for our beds and anything else, or any activity else. Then this part was left for our wardrobe. Yeah, and the wardrobe part is attached to our toilet. This is our wardrobe area. As you can see, it has a very smart full moon. This is a very smart full moon. It's a 3 color type. That's a warm white. Then we have pure white. Sorry. That's warm. Then we have warm white. Then we have pure white. Yeah. Then this is our dressing room. Finally, we have our toilet. This is a private toilet. It's operated. This is our private toilet. Is only operated with the person using the master bedroom. This toilet. The tiles on this toilet are different from the tiles in the kitchen, and are also different from the tiles from the public toilet. The tiles on the wall, I told you earlier, to prevent water from excavating the walls or interfering with our paints. So these are the tiles on the walls. This toilet, the plumber is yet to done with this work. We have our shower here. We have our sink which will be mounted around here. Then the exact kit will be mounted here. Then this is the Arabic shower. Yeah, this is the Arabic shower. Then the tiles on the floor just resembles the tiles on the floors of our wardrobes. Yeah, as you can see, our dressing room, our dressing area in short. Yeah, we have our small window here in our toilet here. We have a small window here which help us to have some fresh air inside this toilet. So guys, this is our final room that I can show you as per now. So guys, I may like to tell you that if you may like and maybe view or maybe you have a certain correction, or maybe you have a question, we also does that. So a human being is to error. So if you add us some views or likes, we may appreciate. We just appreciate, guys. So thank you for your time. Thank you for everything. Bye bye. Meet next time. Umemaliza?